Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset TP-Link Archer GX90. The obvious method is super easy, just grab a pin and press the reset button in this notch on the back panel of your router for about 5 seconds until you see blinking indicator like this, then release the button. Now the router is going to be reset, but watch the full video because I'm going to show you a couple of reset life hacks that will make your Wi-Fi life a bit better. If you're thinking about doing a hard reset just to fix some issues with your router, don't rush to do it right away. Try a reboot first. So open TP-Link Tether application on your smartphone, switch to Tools at the bottom, then go to System over here and just reboot your device. And it's possible that your issue might resolve itself. Also, to keep the system healthy, I recommend you to set reboot schedule. In the same Tools menu, tap on Reboot Schedule, enable this feature, and set reboot time when you're sleeping or not at home or just not active, and so on. If you do end up needing a hard reset, I will show you how advanced users actually use this feature. So you need to connect your computer to your router's Wi-Fi network, then open any web browser and in the search bar type in tplinkwifi.net, then hit enter and log in as administrator. You should know these passwords because you've created it yourself on the router's setup. However, if you don't know the passwords, the only way you can reset your router is by pressing that button on its body. So log in as administrator and switch to Advanced tab over here. Then scroll down on the left pane and open System section. Click on Backup and Restore. So what you can do here, first of all, here you have an option to restore all configuration settings to default values except your login and cloud account information. It can save your time to set up the router from scratch actually, or just factory restore to default like the router is just from the box. Also, if you have a lot of settings here, and here, you can create backup file. So in the Advanced section, open System, Backup and Restore, and create backup. Just save this file somewhere in safe place, and then after factory reset, you can go back to this menu after you set up your router. Click on Browse over here, find your file, double click to open, and click on Restore to restore all the settings. It just saves your time once again. And I recommend you to create backup file once you've got a successful configuration of your router and all your devices in your home or office are connected to the network. Do not wait until you have some problems and need to do a factory reset. And that's how the things work. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, hit the like button to support us, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.